Little bird sitting out there. Sat right there. Let me talk to her a few minutes ago. I didn't give it a name. It's always out here. Sits out here all the time. Little bird. You hungry? You eat all the time, don't you? Say something. Don't fly away. You ain't scared of me, are you? Oh, you almost act like you're scared of me, but what's your name? Can you say anything? Tweety? Hey, Tweety. Tweety, you gonna fly away? I ain't gonna hurt you. Tweety, look at me. Tweety. Look, Tweety. Oh, Tweety. She's a little shy. She's camera shy. Tweety bird. Tweety bird, camera shy. Look at Tweety. She's blue. There goes Tweety.